today we're going to be learning about scales and masses. By the end of this, you'll be able to read a scale, convert between grams and kilograms, and solve problems with measures of mass and with scales. So to start off with, a gram is represented by the symbol G. G is grams. Grams measure small items like an apple, for example. Kilograms is kg, and you would weigh a person in kilograms or something heavier. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. To convert from grams to kilograms, you divide by 1,000, and to convert kilograms to grams, you times by 1,000. .5 kilograms equals 500 grams. .25 kilograms is equal to 250 grams. As you can see, 1,000 grams divided by 1,000 equals 1 kilogram. And also 1 kilogram times 1,000 is equal to 1,000 grams. You can also see that to convert the kilograms to grams, we times 0.5 kilograms by 1,000, which is equal to 500 grams. And 0.25 kilograms multiplied by 1,000 is equal to 250 grams. 250 grams divided by 1,000 is equal to 0.25 kilograms. So now I'd like you to have a go. Write the missing boxes in this table. For example, convert 2,000 grams to kilograms. Remember that to convert grams to kilograms, you divide by 1,000, and to convert kilograms to grams, you times by 1,000. So pause the video now and have a go. So here are the answers. As you can see, 2,000 grams needed to be divided by 1,000 to get 2 kilograms. 1.5 kilograms needed to be times by 1,000 to get 1,500 grams. .2 kilograms needed to be divided by 1,000 to get 200 grams. 1,750 grams needed to be divided by 1,000 to get 1.75 kilograms. And 6 kilograms needed to be multiplied by 1,000 to get 6,000 grams. So well done. Now you go and have a brain break, stretch and relax for just 2 minutes. Now we're going to be going through a scale question together. It says to draw an arrow on the scale below to show 1,350 grams. As we know, the scale is in kilograms, and 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. 1.5 kilograms is 1,500 grams, and 2 kilograms is equal to 2,000 grams. We're looking for 1,350 grams, so we know it must be between 1 and 1.5 kilograms. To find out how much each jump is worth in grams, each increment, we're going to count how many there are between 1 and 1.5. There are 10 increments between 1 and 1.5. And as we know that all 10 are worth 500 grams, because the difference between 1,000 and 1,500 grams is 500 grams, we're going to divide that by 10, which gives us 50 grams. So each increment increases with 50 grams. So we need to count up from 1,000 grams in 50s until we reach 1,350 grams, so we know where to draw the arrow. So one jump will be 1,050 grams. Two jumps will be 1,100 grams, 1,150 grams, 1,200 grams, 1,250 grams, 1,300 grams, 1,350 grams. So this is where I need to draw my arrow to, this increment. So now I will draw my arrow, and there we are. That is the arrow on the scale to show 1,350 grams. So well done for following along with me on that one. Now it's going to be your turn. So this says draw an arrow on the scale below to show 2.5 kilograms. The scale this time is in grams. It starts with 1,000 grams, in the middle is 2,000 grams, at the end is 3,000 grams. So I would start off with converting the grams to kilograms to make things easier for you. But pause the video now and have a go. 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram, 2,000 grams equals 2 kilograms, and 3,000 grams equals 3 kilograms. As we are looking for 2.5 kilograms, we need to be looking between 2,000 grams and 3,000 grams, or 2 kilograms and 3 kilograms. As before, we're going to count how many jumps are between the two, or how many increments are between the two. And again, we can see this is 10 increments. All 10 increments are worth 1,000 grams because the difference between 3,000 grams and 2,000 grams is 1,000 grams. As there are 10 increments, we divide this by 10, which gives us 100 grams. So each increment is worth 100 grams. As we're trying to find 2.5 kilograms, and we know that 2.5 kilograms is equal to 2,500 grams, then we need to start at 2,000 and go up 5 increments to get to 2,500 grams, and that's where we draw our arrow. So well done!